Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an alpha raptor. First, understand that alpha raptors are powerful, untamable creatures in ARK, survival evolved. They are formidable foes, but defeating them yields significant rewards. Before you even think about engaging, ensure you have high-level tames, like a strong Giga or Rex, and excellent quality armor and weapons. Preparation is key to your success against these dangerous predators. Alpha raptors can be found across various biomes on the ARK, often patrolling open areas. Once you spot one, approach cautiously. It's best to engage with a powerful, high-health creature, such as a well-bred Tyrannosaurus rex or a Giganotosaurus. Try to keep your distance and use ranged attacks from your mount if possible, or have a strong melee tame absorb its attacks while you deal damage. When fighting an alpha raptor, focus your attacks on its head for critical damage. Be aware of its pounce attack, which can dismount you or pin your creature. If dismounted, quickly remount or switch to a powerful ranged weapon. After defeating it, you will receive an alpha raptor claw, which is a key ingredient for certain crafting recipes, along with other valuable loot and experience. Defeating an alpha raptor provides substantial experience points for your tames, helping them level up quickly. You'll also acquire rare blueprints, high-tier resources, and the alpha raptor claw, essential for boss tributes. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including those incredibly durable darn tough socks. Always be prepared, stay vigilant, and happy hunting on the ARK.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.